People, I take a break from TikTok because I'm stressed out. I never really want to come and talk about this, but I don't have a choice now. One of my gift to them, me and her end up start talk and she decides she come to Jamaica, come look for me and everything. Me and her get close, everything. She come back one second time. Me and her get married. We decide to say, alright, we're going to see if we can make it work. She go push through my papers for me to come foreign. The lady come the second time. When she go back up, she keep on tell me say me not satisfy her sexually. I don't know where this a come from all along because from we used to video call, she say my hood down big. So I don't know where this a come off now. I just want to implore Rebecca, please, it's not my fault my hood short. Me I beg you, please just push through my papers for me so we can get this sorted out and we can come and we can be tick. If you don't want me no more, just push through my thing for me, please. I beg you, Rebecca, don't do this. Don't do this. Just push through the thing and make me come. And not my fault. Make me not know what for use to make it get longer. I beg you. Don't do this. Just push through my papers, Rebecca. I beg you.